vívomove HR brings all the functionality of a dedicated activity tracker to you in a stylish hybrid smartwatch. In this video, we're going to introduce you to your new watch and show you how to use some of the main features. The first time you use your vívomove HR, you'll need to plug it in and charge it. Just align the pins on the included charging cable to the ports on the back of the device and clip the charger on. Then plug it into any USB port. Follow the instructions to pair it with the Garmin Connect mobile app. After you've paired it, just double-tap the lower part of the watch glass or gesture to activate the digital display. You can swipe the touchscreen area to unlock your device from the glance mode. The hands will automatically move out of the way. Then swipe to move through your widgets. View steps, floors climbed, intensity minutes, calories burned, music controls, weather forecasts, notifications, heart rate, and current stress level. Just tap a widget to see more information. For example, if you tap heart rate, you'll see a graph of your heart rate. Tap the back arrow to go back to the widget loop. You can also hold the screen to open and close the menu from any widget. The first menu item is the activity list. Tap it to choose from walking, running, cardio, strength training, and other activities. Select an activity, then double-tap the screen to start your activity. You can swipe left or right during your activity to see data fields such as heart rate and calories burned. When you're finished, double-tap to end your activity. Then swipe to select whether you want to save or discard the activity. Thanks for watching. Be sure to watch the other videos in this series to learn more about vívomove HR.